Hello everyone, welcome back to ComMed Made Easy, and I hope you all are doing very well. Before we begin, let me remind my dear students that the contents of this channel are only to supplement your knowledge, not to replace the regular online and offline classes in your institution. So please attend your classes and do not miss them. Also, if you like our contents, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the videos, and share these videos with your friends, with your batchmates, with your juniors. Also, if you are a teacher, then with your students. Please follow our Facebook page and the link will be given in the description. In today's video, we shall learn how we can calculate median using Microsoft Excel. We already know what median is from a previous video that I already uploaded. So median is the locative measure, which is the middlemost observation after all the values are arranged in ascending or descending order. That means whatever data we have in a given data set, we have to first arrange it in either ascending or descending order. Then we have to find out the middlemost observation, that is the median value. And since we are talking about the middlemost observation based on its position, that is why it is also known as a locative measure. After arranging this data set in either increasing or decreasing order, and then if we find the median value, then this median value divides the entire data set into two equal parts on either side of it. How we can calculate median manually? This is also something that I discussed already in a previous video. So first we have to arrange the data in increasing or decreasing order. So that means in ascending or descending order of magnitude. Then you have to find out the middlemost observation, and that is the median value. Now finding out the middlemost observation depends on how many observations are there in total in the given data set. It can either be odd number or even number. So if it is odd, suppose the number of observations in the given data set is n. When n is odd, then we have to find the n plus 1 divided by 2th value, and that is the median. For example, suppose there is a small data set, we have 11 observations. So 11 plus 1, that is 12, and 12 divided by 2 is 6. So that means when we arrange this data in ascending or descending order, then you have to find the 6th value, and that will be our median. When we have even number of observations, suppose we have 10 observations, then we have to find out the n by 2th value. So 10 by 2 is 5th value, and also you have to find the n by 2 plus 1th value. So n by 2 is 5 plus 1 is 6, so 6th value. So that means now we have 5th value and the 6th value, and we have to take the average or mean of those two values. So n by 2th value and n by 2 plus 1th value, we have to take the average or mean of that value, and that will be the median value when the number of observations in the given data set is even. So that is how we calculate median manually. Now let us learn how we can calculate median using Microsoft Excel software. For the exercise purpose, we shall be using the same dataset that we used in the previous video also. Here we have 30 patients, their HbA1c level, fasting sugar level and postprandial sugar level are given. If I want to know their median value, ideally I should be arranging all this data in ascending or descending order and then find out the middlemost value. But since we are using a software, there is no need of doing all these things manually. We just have to type a particular comment correctly, and that will give us the median value for this data set. Something that I discussed in the previous class, I shall repeat again. For calculating mean, median, mode or even standard deviation, we need to know in which cell this particular variable is starting and it is ending. So in case of HbA1c, the first data is in the B2 cell. When you select the particular cell, you will get the number in the left hand side corner here, and it ends in the B31 cell. Similarly, for fasting sugar, it starts at C2 and it ends in the C31 cell. About ppbs, it starts in the D2 cell and it ends in the D31 cell. So this is very important because in the comment we have to mention the first cell and the last cell for that particular variable. If we want to get the HbA1c median value, here I will select that particular cell and then start typing just like the previous example. a equal sign. Then we type median, since we are calculating the median value. MED. I start typing and then I get this prompt. I will double click on it. The bracket has started. Here I have to give the first cell, that is the B2 cell. Then the colon sign, and then B31, that is the last cell. We end the bracket here and we press the enter button. So this is the median HbA1c level for these 30 patients. Similarly, for fasting blood sugar, we start with the equal sign. We type MED and we can complete the typing here. We start with C2 here and the last one is a C31. We end the bracket. If you can notice that I have typed C in small letter, not in capital letter, but it will also give the same result. Then we press the enter button and that is the median value of fasting sugar in these 30 patients. For PPBS, same thing, equal to sign, median from D2 up to D31, bracket ends, and then we press the enter. So 203 is the median postprandial sugar level for these 30 patients. So that is how we calculate median using the Microsoft Excel. So here also we need to remember the command or the formula that we need to type in particular cell to get the median value. It starts with the equal sign followed by median, and then we start the first bracket. We put the name of the first cell and then colon sign and name of the last cell. Then we complete the first bracket and then we press enter. Please be careful that there should not be any space in between anywhere in this command. So this is very simple and very similar to the formula that we use for calculating the mean value. There we put average, here we are putting median. With this we conclude today's session. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and share this video with your batchmates, juniors and friends from other colleges. We also have a Facebook page that you can follow. The link is given in the description. Take care and we shall see you in our next video.